Welcome to my tutorial on Google Presentations. During this short video, we will cover how to create a basic presentation using Google Presentations and how to share that presentation with others. The biggest benefit to using Google Presentations versus Microsoft PowerPoint is the ability you have to collaborate with others in real time. No more wondering who has the latest version of the document. Another real benefit is the ability you have to store the document online, so you have access to it wherever you have access to the internet. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do to get started is to log into your Google account. If you don't already have a Google account, you need to set that up before you go any further. Once you're logged in, click Drive. Google will pull up all of your documents. From here, click Create and Presentation. While Presentations is not as robust as PowerPoint, it does have several nice features that allows you to put together a solid presentation. The first thing you'll see is a number of themes that you can choose for your presentation. Go ahead and look through these and see what you like. I like this one called Sketch, so I'll click that and hit OK. Now, if you're familiar with Microsoft PowerPoint, this should look pretty familiar. The slide order is shown on the left-hand column, and the slide you're currently working on is shown in the main window. You can give your presentation a name by double-clicking here on Untitled Presentation and entering the name here. I'm going to call mine Google Presentations. Hit OK. The first slide by default will be a title slide. To add text, you simply click on the box and begin typing. While you're working within a text box, the text toolbar will appear. From here you can change the font, the size, the style of the text, the background. You can add a link, which we'll come back to, or the position of the text. Let's say I want to make some changes. I simply highlight the text, select the font that I want, the size, and there you go. Now we're ready to add more slides. Click on the red box in the left-hand corner to add a slide, or click on the arrow next to it and it will give you many layout options that you can use for your presentation. For now, I just want to use a blank slide. From here, let's look closer at the toolbar. There are lots of options that can be found in the menus at the top of the screen, so spend some time looking around. We've already looked at the Add button. Here we have Undo, Redo, Zoom, and Select. Now here we have the text box. Simply click on the box, click in your presentation and drag. You can enter a text box anywhere in your presentation that you want. From here I can type Go Aggies. And because you're able to post your presentations online, Google Presentations makes it possible to turn any text into a hyperlink. I'm going to highlight the text and click right here on the link icon. From here I can enter the web address that I want the link to take us to. I'm going to select USU's website. I can test the link. That looks good. And hit OK. One neat feature, if you type the URL directly into your presentation and select the link icon, Google Presentations automatically recognizes that it's a URL and will link it. Moving along, here you can insert an image, a shape, or a line into your presentation. You can also do that from the tab here at the top. So I'm going to click Insert Image. It gives you the option to insert an image from your computer, to take a snapshot, or by using a URL. I'm going to upload an image from my computer. So it will bring up all of my files. I'm going to go ahead and use this photo. It's me and my daughter playing with the photo booth. Click Choose. It will upload the image right into your presentation. From here, I'm going to add another blank slide. I'm going to show you how to insert a video. So you simply go to the Insert tab, hit Video, And Google Presentations allows you to search for a video from YouTube right here, or you can go directly to a URL. I'm going to look for a Makey Makey project. Here is the Makey Makey tutorial. I'm going to select that. It's pretty cool. And it will drop it right into my presentation. And now I can watch the Makey Makey tutorial right from my presentation. I'm going to add one more blank slide. Show you one more feature that's kind of nice. You can actually insert a table from the Insert tab or from the Table tab simply by selecting it on a grid. Moving along on the toolbar, from here you can change the background. Here you can change the layout of any slide, and here you can change the theme of your entire presentation. So go ahead and play around. You can change anything at any time. Now we're ready to talk about transitions. Go ahead and select the first slide of your presentation and click Transition. Google Presentations will bring up the Animations menu on your right-hand side. By default, there are no transitions. So if you want to add one, you click on this arrow and choose the type you'd like. I'm going to select Fade. Here you can change the speed from slow, medium to fast, and you can play it here to see if it's what you want. Looks good to me. I'm going to hit Stop. And if you absolutely love it, you can apply it to all slides, or you can go in individually and change the transition for each one. I think I'm fine with this for all of them. Google allows several options for sharing your presentation. Start by clicking the Share button in the top right-hand corner. By default, the presentation will be viewable only by you. If you want to make it accessible by other people, you need to change it here. Right here, we can select this to make the presentation public on the web. Here, we'll make it available for anyone who has the link, and this one will make it private to only those that you give permission. I'm going to go ahead and put this public on the web. Right here, you can change the permissions. People can view it, they can comment on it, or you can give them permission to edit it. If you want to give somebody the link, it's available to you right here. Now I have a Google presentation that's viewable by anybody on the web. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Google Presentations. I hope you have found it helpful and informative.